Hi guys, welcome back on today's longer video. I'm here with the girls, and about 2 hours ago or 1 hour ago, I got a notification on something. You're probably wondering what it was. So I guess what? It was under a tornado watch. So it looks like right now I'm under a tornado watch. Yup. So it's pretty scary. But sometime it's possibly not going to happen. But I didn't have school today. At least we didn't have school. Yeah, it was supposed to thunder, but I took a shower, so I'm glad it didn't thunder. Wow. Because if you didn't know, we're not supposed to. Well, you're not supposed to take a shower while like thunderstorms. So I'm under a tornado watch right now, and it's our second time. That made me realize that since there's a tornado watch, last time I had a tornado watch was August 7th, 2023, aka last year. And a couple days later, I got to see my friend. So I remember I was scared and put my dolls in the basement. So, to be honest, it's like windy a little bit. So it's most likely going to rain, wind, and thunder. Yeah, we are supposed to get thunder at 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. So I'll keep you all update on this. So I would say it's part 1. So, by the way, if I don't put in the intro, I didn't edit the video. Alright, y'all, I am going to end here. So thank you for watching. Bye.